Hi everyone. Today is a special day for our country. Today is the National Constitution Day, and I am here to welcome you all to a small video. Before that, I would like to share something about our Constitution and its formation. Constitution Day or National Law Day is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Indian Constitution. In 1927, the pioneer of Indian politics, Mr. M.N. Roy, put forward the idea of Indian Constituent Assembly for the first time in the newspaper Indian Patriot. On 26 November 1949, the Indian Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. This day was chosen to spread the importance of the Indian Constitution, and the man behind this was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent chairman of the Indian Constituent Assembly under the temporary chairmanship of Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The Indian Constitution originally consists of 395 articles and 8 schedules, and it presently consists of 448 articles and 12 schedules. Now I welcome you all to this video created by us, the D1 Political Science students. Let's start the video with the time frame.
17th May 1927, Motilal Nehru introduced a resolution to the Working Committee of Indian National Congress, and the resolution was to create a constitution for India by the elected provincial leader.
From September 1946 to November 1947, dissemination of constitutional advices, brief, pamphlet and questionnaire. B.N. Rao was appointed for this task. He prepared questionnaire for impending constitution.
From February to November 1947, preparation of memorandum by advisor based on the response submission of note by suited members. Based on the response of the questioner, B.N. Rao prepared his memorandum, which included the blueprint of impending constitution.
From 1947 February to 1947 August, deliberations in the principal committees including joint and subcommittees and reports. In this session of the Assembly, the chairman constituted 4 principal committees. Provincial Constitution Committee and Union Constitution Committee were chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Union Powers Committee was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru and Drafting Committee was by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
From April 1947 to August 1947, discussion on reports in Constituent Assembly and adoption of Principal Committee discussed the reports in detail.
July 1947 to October 1947, the preparation of the first draft by the Constitutional Advisor. Here we can see that the Constitutional Advisor has started putting together the first draft of the Constitution by aligning the reports already discussed and adopted.
From April 1947 to December 1947, deliberations in various sectoral committees and their reports. Here, various sectoral committees commenced and finished their deliberations, and this activity went on over a long period.
From October 1947 to February 1948, deliberations in Drafting Committee and resultant drafting of Indian Constitution Assembly had resolved in July 1947 to constitute a drafting committee which will attune the Constitution Bill from the perspective of legislative language.
1948, April 10th and 11th. Deliberations on responses in Special Committee and its elections. Here, the chairman of the Assembly decided that responses on draft constitution and recommendations of drafting committee should be considered by Special Committee.
1948, October 18 to October 20. Deliberation in Drafting Committee for Parallel or Official Amendments.
From October 1948 to November 1949, discussion and voting were held in the meeting of Congress Assembly in the Constitutional House.
From 1948 November 4 to 1949 October 17, discussions and voting on drafting constitution and amendments in the Assembly.
On 3rd November 1949, preparation of so-called final draft by Drafting Committee.
From 1949, November 3rd to November 14th and 16th,
discussion for 3 days, and final voting for amendment of certain classes.
17th November 1949 to 26th November, discussion on settled by Assembly version of Constitution Bill.
On 26 November 1949, final adoption and enactment through sign by Chairman of Assembly and partial commencement.
On 24th January 1950, signing of the calligraphical version of the Constitution by the core members of the Assembly.
26 January 1950. On this day was the formal commencement of Indian Constitution. India was declared as a republic to all the nations around the world.
Let's thank every single constituent members who provided us a constitution, especially during the crucial times like partition, the major havoc between the two major religions, and the great transfer of power. These issues mounted up great pressure upon the constituent members to create a unique constitution for the country which accommodated every single diversity. Our Europeans analyzed that we are going to be split, or I so called it as balkanized. Here we are after 71 years. We are a major global player. We are a major global economy. We have surpassed the colonizers in our economic standards. We have our issues, we have our problems, but still we are building up ourselves and uniting ourselves. We are no failure experiment. We are a successful experiment which shows that every country can accommodate various diversities. We have our issues, we have our problems, but still we are one as a country. We are also one within the Constitution. Jai Hind.
If we peep into the present mindset of India, they see this day as one day of significance. For globe, it may be one among the many national holidays. But for the past life that existed in this land, this day is just like a stream of water that flows through the dry lands after 200 years of thirst. Constitution. It is a feel of those who saw the nation stare by, who felt the urge to generalize as they saw their dreams nearby. They did not know what was coming, but they prepared a book to guide by. The world saw the book too long, and it will long to read by. But as time went, the book proved that we needed to make our country live alive. Our Constitution, it is not just our guide but our pride. It has never been overruled by individual greed, but it always lived along with young time.